One of the disappointments of that previous leg would have to be Poland, I think, as well, who've obviously been a good relay nation over the last few years, but just struggled in recent times to field the same quality quartets, and they were never a factor there. We move on to the next heat, the second of 4. Any further information on that USA situation we'll bring you as soon as we get it, by the way. Nigeria, who didn't show for the women's 4x4, but have shown for the men. There's the powerful Belgian quartet. More on them in a second. Czech Republic go in lane 5. Jamaica, they're in 4. Brazil are in 3. Brazil are the South American silver medalists. More South American interest, or Central American really, in Mexico going in 2. And we see Guyana back again. Certainly Malachi Austin in their team is running his second leg of the evening, having appeared earlier on in the mixed event. So heat number 2 of 4 in the men's 4x400 meters. The Czech Republic team, Pavel Mazlak, 33 years of age, 6 times a major indoor gold medalist, taking the opportunity still in the relays here. Definitely, he'll run the anchor for Czech Republic.
Yeah, he did so many times the relays, and I love it to watch him in relays. He always takes some risk and go for it, and yeah, I enjoy watching his races in the past. So let's see what he can do in this age and still there.
Well, the Belgian team should be the favourites in this one. They've won the last 2 world indoor titles, and they have 3 of the team who were victorious in that World Indoor 2024 victory in Glasgow when they just pipped the United States. Dylan Borlée, Jonathan Sakour and Alexander Doom will run these legs 1, 3 and 4. Robin van der Bendem is the one change for Belgium from that World Indoor winning quartet. They were 4th at the last Olympic Games in Tokyo, Belgium. There is Alexander Doom, the World Indoor 400-meter champion, became the first athlete to win the World Indoor 400 individual and the World Indoor relay in the same event. Slightly surprised winner, I think some would have felt, in the World Indoor 400 metres. With Jamaica, having a little look at their third leg runner, Asini Wilson there. They were 4th in the world final. We look at their teams, Andrew and Barnes was part of that team that finished 4th in that world final. He'll run the second leg. There is Dylan Borlée, the youngest of the Borlée brothers. So Kevin and Jonathan are on the team here, but we haven't seen them in action today. Nigeria, Dumam Wachukwu, their first leg to Kie, as they're now officially known in the international sporting fraternity. There's Marnie Capello as a throwback on the third leg, still competing at the highest level. What are you looking at here, Daff, in this particular lineup? Brazil, I think, would expect to play a part as well.
Yeah, Nigeria is running fast this season already, and Belgium, of course, and of course, Jamaica. Yeah, this is a very strong one, I think.
You can't name everybody.
No, that's true.
You're right. This is a competitive heat. This one, with only 2 places up for grabs.
No, but Belgium with Doom in their season, it was great to watch his races. He was always in the second, and the last little bit he was going for it. So that's really cool.
Let's bring you the teams out to win then. Takie on the outside, Ilyas Chenaksi runs their first leg. Dumem Wachukwu is on the first leg for Nigeria. Dylan Borlée for Belgium. Doom runs the anchor, as I mentioned. He'll be up against Pavel Mazlak on the anchor. The Czech Republic, Matej Kursek leads them off. Jamaica's opening runner is Malik James King. Andrew and Barnes, Asini Wilson and Damish Gay. Brazil, the South American silver medalist, they have Lucas Carvalho, who's run 45-1 this year already. On their opening leg, Edgar Ramirez for Mexico. On the inside, Guyana with Daniel Williams on their opening leg, handing on to Malachi Austin, who ran earlier on in the mixed events. Heat 2 of 4 in the men's 400 metres, 4x400 metres I should say. 2 places up for grabs. In fact, Daniel Williams, just for completeness, Daniel Williams, the other guy on male runner earlier on in the mixed as well. So both of the male mixed runners are back for Guyana in lane 1. Away we go then. Dylan Borlée for Belgium is 2 from the left. Nigeria just outside them have gone out very strongly. Dubem Wachukwu made a couple of metres up on Elias Kanax at the moment. Borlée has gone away from the Czech Republic. Mate Kursek inside him. Jamaica with Malik James King. Brazil inside him with Lucas Carvalho. One just struggling at the moment, Czech Republic and Guyana on the inside, finding it difficult. But Belgium, Dylan Borlée just coming through on the inside of Nigeria towards this first change. Robin van der Bendem will take the baton for Belgium. Brazil, I think, got the baton in second position on the inside. The stagger will unwind against them. Nigeria on the outside as well. Now the baton in the hand of Dubé Ameni, and Jamaica have it with Zandri and Barnes.
Strong one with Belgium, but Nigeria is coming up and Jamaica as well. So I think it will be a really nice one between Jamaica and Nigeria. Let's see where they are in there.
Belgium, the favourites for this event, hold the lead at the moment in the hands of Robin van der Benden. Nigeria just challenging Jamaica. Here come Brazil. Matias Lima taking the wide course around the outside in lane 2. As the outgoing runners prepare, Jamaica just starting to fade. Zandri and Barnes. Strong finish from Brazil down the home straight, and Brazil just fumbled the change, and then they nearly stumbled. That was a disaster for Brazil. Victor Hugo de Miranda nearly dropped the baton, nearly fell over, and Brazil are back in 5th. So Belgium away in front with Jonathan Sakua running his second leg of the evening. In second position, Sikiru Adeyemi for Nigeria. Jamaica now with Assini Wilson in 3rd, and Mexico have come from nowhere, and Guillermo Campos now in 4th position, and Brazil are out of it.
I didn't expect Mexico, they come from nowhere. Like it's Belgium.
So Belgium with that commanding lead. What a finish this is from Jonathan Sakura. All of those running their second leg of the night really are full of running. Alexander Doom, the world indoor champion, has the baton, but this tussle for second place is going to be fascinating. Jamaica have the advantage at the moment. Demish Gay has the baton for them. Nigeria, it's Chidi Okezi, and from Mexico it's Valentin Mendoza, and the rest of them I don't think are going to catch them. Where's your money going here, Daphne? Behind Belgium.
I think the gap is a little bit bigger between Jamaica and Nigeria, so you see Nigeria is coming. He's going for it.
Chidi Okezi running a great leg for Nigeria, coming up onto the shoulder of Jamaica, but it's Belgium away and clear. Alexander Doom will take them to the Olympic Games, and a brilliant final leg for Nigeria from Chidi Okezi. Overhauls Jamaica in the last 50 or 60 metres, and Nigeria booked the second spot at the Olympic Games as well. Belgium were expected, Nigeria booked that extra spot.
And we have Jamaica again on the third place.
A lot of near misses for Jamaica this evening. That's a great run from Nigeria. It was a brilliantly judged strike, wasn't it? Had him within reach and then made his move with, what, 150, maybe 120 to go. Nigeria. Disappointing they weren't able to start. Here we go, look at this Brazilian changeover, just as they might even have been in contention to lead. Look, completely missed the baton, then gets the baton. Does he get clips? Does he just go down? No, he just trips himself, I think.
Maybe he was a little bit confused because he grabbed the hand of the other one, the incoming athlete. So sometimes that's difficult if you grab the baton and you grab the hand. Then you cannot go. So you need to wait till you have it, and then I think he.
Oh my goodness! Nobody expected this. Everyone, including the commentators, mocked Nigerian team. Everyone thought Jamaica would dominate this track and field event. As you saw, the men's 4x400 meter relay at the World Athletics Relays in Bahamas back in the year 2024, but Nigeria and Belgium had other plans. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Please like the video. Yeah man, kindly give this video a big thumbs up. Guys, believe me, everyone was stunned after this unbelievable track and field event at the World Athletics Release 2024 in Bahamas. The final lap, the final 60 meters had fans on their feet as the race explodes into a thrilling sprint to the line between Nigeria and Jamaica anchor. Belgium had already secured position 1 in time of 3 minutes 00.09 seconds. The craziest battle was between Nigeria and Jamaica. Nigeria powering Jamaica, taking second position in time of 3 minutes 01.70 seconds. Jamaica settling for that position in time of 3 minutes 0246 seconds. Mexico followed in 3 minutes 0287 seconds. Brazil followed. Turkey followed. Czech Republic follows. Guyana finishing the podium in 8th position. Guys, believe me, it was such a very explosive and very impressive track and field event, men's 4x400m relay in Bahamas, where we are witnessing Nigeria and racing a powerful kick that soaked the crowd as they charade Jamaica straight for straight. So guys, thank you so much for your precious time. Kindly keep tuned here, keep it locked here, and if you have not yet subscribed to this amazing channel, kindly consider doing so, because I can't wait to see how Nigerian team will perform in this 2026 season, the much anticipated World Athletics Championships. We also have the Olympics, we also have the Commonwealth Games. Guys, I can't wait to see if this Nigerian will maintain the momentum and beat Team Jamaica. Remember, Team Jamaica is solo is not a joke. They are the dominant in most of these track and field event, more so the sprinting races. So guys, keep tuned here, keep it locked here, and if you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider doing so. Subscribe, smash that notification bell at the subscription so that you get notified when these races happen.